Here I have Motorola Moto Z2 Play, and let me show you how to enable developer features, developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's open the list of all applications right here, find and select the settings. Here you have to scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose About Phone. Afterwards, let's scroll down one more time and choose Build Number. Let's tap a couple of times on Build Number, and as you can see, you are now a developer. So you can go back to previous list, and right here under Printing you've got developer options. Let's tap it, and this is the full list of developer features that you can use. For example, let's just say that you would like to enable OEM Unlocking, so you would like to allow the bootloader to be unlocked. Let's just use this switcher and tap Enable. So let's scroll down one more time, and here you can, for example, enable USB Debugging. So let's do it by using this switcher, read the warning and tap OK to allow USB Debugging. So that's it. Now you can use developer options, and you may also go back and use your device in a normal mode. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.